Coconut oil lip scrub. Dry and cracked skin on lips can occur anytime, be it winter or summer. The easiest way to deal with it is to make a natural, homemade lip scrub. Why a lip scrub? Well, our lips also need some care, because while having a gentle skin texture, they often exposed to harsh environment. As a result, dead cells may stick together, creating a rough feeling on the lips, and making them look not very much attractive. So, here enters the need of using a scrub, and the more natural it is, the better for your lips. Coconut oil lips scrub recipe. This exfoliating recipe is very easy to make at home. You can double or triple the amounts, and store it in the refrigerator to extend its shelf life. As for the storage, keep in a clean, dry glass container, which is tightly closed, for up to 2 weeks. So, take a small bowl, and add in it the following ingredients, in this order. 1 tablespoon of organic brown sugar comes first, then 1 teaspoon of raw manuka honey, and the last is 1 teaspoon of fractionated coconut oil, and mix everything well. How to apply it? Scoop up a small amount of the scrub with your clean finger, and gently rub it all over your clean and dry lips. Leave the scrub on, intact for a few minutes, then massage your lips with a clean finger, in a circular motion. Then wash it off with warm or lukewarm water. You can also wipe the lips with a soft cotton washcloth. While leaving the scrub on lips for some time is optional, it is nevertheless beneficial, because it will allow the ingredients to soak into the skin, and remove dead cells with more efficiency. Coconut oil benefits for lips. When you use coconut oil to scrub your lips, it will not only slough off dead cells, but will moisturize your lips, making them look supple and plump. What make it possible are the high amounts of healthy essential fatty acids, including vitamin F, a powerful antioxidant that stimulates skin cell regeneration and repair. Also, coconut oil has antimicrobial, antibacterial, and antifungal properties, so it acts as a preventive agent against lip infections, rashes, and sores. A bonus tip: you can also use the combination of coconut oil and honey as a nighttime lip treatment. Simply mix or blend the equal parts of these ingredients until you get a creamy consistency. Apply this mixture on your lips before going to bed, and rinse off in the morning.